Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to another edition of Xiaomi Insider, where we dive into the world of technology and business that's shaping our future. I'm your host today. We've got some exciting news coming out of China that's sending shockwaves through the global electric vehicle market. Xiaomi, one of the country's leading EV manufacturers, has just confirmed that one of its SU7 models was involved in a fatal accident on an expressway. That's right, folks, a Xiaomi car crashed, and it's got everyone talking. Now let's talk about what happened. According to Bloomberg, a local report claimed that 3 people lost their lives in the accident. It's worth noting that these kinds of incidents are not uncommon in China, where EVs are still relatively new on the market. However, for a company like Xiaomi, which prides itself on innovation and safety, this is definitely a concern. But what does this mean for investors? Well, let's take a look at the numbers. Xiaomi's ADRs plunged 7.4% after the news broke, wiping out millions of dollars in market value overnight. That's a pretty dramatic drop, folks. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, wait, what about other EV manufacturers? Won't they also see a hit to their stock prices? And the answer is yes, they probably will. But Xiaomi's market capitalization is already one of the lowest in the industry, so this news might not have as big of an impact on them as it would on some of the bigger players. Speaking of which, let's take a look at some other stocks that are making headlines today. We've got Tesla, Nvidia, CoreWeave, Calvin Klein Parent PVH, Ford, XPeng, and more all on our radar. What do these companies have in common? Well, they're all related to the automotive industry in one way or another. But that's not all, folks. We also got some exciting news from Xiaomi's rival, XPeng. The company just announced that its deliveries surged 268% in March compared to last year. That's a remarkable growth rate, and it's clear that XPeng is making waves in the EV market. Now, I know we're on April Fool's Day, but take these numbers with a grain of salt. We don't want any misinformation getting out there. So there you have it, folks, a quick rundown of what's happening in the world of electric vehicles and beyond. From Xiaomi's stock plunge to XPeng's remarkable growth rate, there's always something new and exciting happening in this space. Stay tuned for more analysis from Xiaomi Insider.